Topeka's Positive Connections has a new way to make it easier for people to get some key information about their health. It's a mobile testing unit. Executive Director Kathleen Link and Early Intervention Specialist Patrick Eldringhoff are my guests here for today from Positive Connections. Good to see you both.
Thank you.
Happy holidays. Glad you're here. Let's remind our viewers, first of all, what Positive Connections is, because you have a really rich history of serving our community for many, many years.
Yes, we've been an organization since 1985. We do medical case management for individuals that are living with HIV.
Right.
But we also do free testing. So we do free HIV, Hep C, syphilis, chlamydia, and gonorrhea testing, all 100% free, and then we have access to treatment as well.
And you joined Positive Connections about a year ago. I know you've seen the services that you all are providing and the lives you're touching. Tell me more about that in our community.
Sure. So, we test around 80 to 100 people a month. We just got this mobile testing unit. We're taking it in the community, currently testing at places like, Mir Incorporated. We go to the Mobile Access Partnership. We had previously been a part of the Mobile Access Partnership, but then we've rejoined with our mobile testing unit. We also go to Work for Success. We go to some universities. So it allows us to take what we do for prevention inside the office and take it on the road. And we can do everything from paperwork all the way to getting our specimens ready to go to the lab. It's a confidential, warming atmosphere where people can come in and know their status.
And that's one of the things you're here to talk about today, Kathleen, is your new mobile testing unit, which is the only such mobile testing unit in the state of Kansas, which is a feather in our cap here in Topeka.
Yes, we were able to purchase the testing unit through the ARPA funds. The city awarded us that, and it's just an amazing thing to have.
Another outreach.
Yes. Yeah, because we can go to those places now that, because we used to require a bathroom.
Sure.
If we went to someone's business or whatever. But now we have all of that in our testing unit. So we can go to the homeless camps. We can go to, health fairs and have everything available there to test.
Yeah, and how important, Patrick, is this testing? Because there are a lot of folks who perhaps need this service out there.
So I think Kathleen had ran the numbers, and right now we're seeing about 10% of the people that we test, do have a positive for something, and many of them don't know. It's kind of hard to prevent the transmission of something if somebody doesn't know what their, what their status is. So it's really important for people to come in, and the fact that it's free, I think is the key.
Yeah, and Testing Tuesday, we're going to talk about that. Tell me more about that effort.
Yes, Testing Tuesday is our walk-in day.
Okay.
It's a day that someone can just walk in the office and for sure get tested. Any other day, we like to ask that you have an appointment, because Patrick, it might be out in the community with the testing unit.
Sure.
So you could come in and might have to wait. I mean, we'll definitely do our best to get you tested.
Okay.
Because it's a big challenge for people to come in sometimes.
Yeah, and we've got a little graphic that we're going to put up on the lower third of your screen here that's going to give you the address. Their office is over on Fillmore. There it is, 2044 Southwest Fillmore. There's the hours for Testing Tuesday. And part of this as well is about public outreach and kind of dispelling some of the stigma, Patrick, around this testing. It's okay, come on in and you can help folks out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, wouldn't you agree with that too?
Absolutely. It's very welcoming environment.
Yeah.
There's no judgment at all whatsoever. We're here to help.
Yeah.
We're here to help.
Well, you've been here for a long time. Obviously, it's a service that we need in our community. Positive Connections. And Kathleen and Patrick, thanks for coming in and letting us know about the new mobile testing unit and about Testing Tuesday.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for having us.
We will see you again soon.